Hi, I'm Michael Martinez, member of MMM Philippines. I'm from Binangonan, Rizal. I provided help to the MMM community to a participants named Dan MGY worth 600 pesos. Last August 26, and to Charmaine 600 pesos. Charmaine. And I requested help last August 28, 2015 through Marvo Mining Light, and my donation grew by 10% after 2 days and received 1,300. Thank you, donor name Somera Romeo. I've received your help via Bitcoin amounting 1,300 pesos. Here, 1,000. Thank you, MMM community. Together, we change the world.